Base model po tayo from iPhone XR to iPhone 14. Price update ng mga base model natin at the same time, ano ba tayo, stock update. Ayan. Pag bibili kayo dito sa CMB Gadgets, syempre, meron po tayong mga freebies. Ang freebies po natin dito is dumami na. Ayan. Extended pala yung warranty natin. Ay, extended cut. Extended pala yung sale natin until December 31.
Oh, okay.
Ito yung freebies natin. Gift box set. Alam niyo naman yung laman nito. Meron ng charger, power bank, AirPods, and tempered glass. Plus, meron po tayong 5 cases. Ayan. Siyempre, ito yung full package number 1. Then, meron po tayong option na full package number 2. 5 case, AirPods, tempered, and meron po tayong original charger na dito. At syempre, meron din po tayong choices dito na full basic package. Basic package 2 case, tempered glass, and charger only. Syempre, hindi nawawala po yung ating pa-cashback na 500. Kahit po yan magpasko na, matapos na yung Pasko, matapos na yung New Year, may cashback pa rin po tayo. Mababa na yung presyo natin, pero still freebies, meron yan. At may pa-cashback pa rin po tayo ng 500 pesos. At syempre, hindi lang po yan, kundi meron pa po tayo pa-raffle na motorcycle, which is yan po yung brand price natin is motorcycle, and 1 winner of brand new na refrigerator, and 1 winner of brand new Marshall na headphone. Ang draw po nito is on January 18, 2026. Meron din po tayong soon to open ang branch ng CMB Gadgets sa Cubao Farmers lang po yan. 4th floor po yan sa Lechonge. Pero meron po tayo pwesto doon permanent po yung shop natin sa Farmers Cubao 4th floor. Okay? Siyempre, pag bibili kayo dito ng second hand, kahit second hand lang po yan, meron po tayong warranty. Ang warranty po natin dito is 14 days replacement warranty for factory defect only. Plus, meron po tayong 3 month service warranty only. No warranty po tayo sa LCD damage, water damage, and physical damage. Sa update, hindi po tayo nagbabagswal. Mag-update po kayo as long as you want. Make sure na malakas yung internet connection po ninyo. And full charge po lagi yung inyong phone before po kayo mag-update. So, yun. Start po tayo dito sa iPhone 14. iPhone 14, 128GB, 21,500 full package. Basic package is 21, this cashback 500 is 20,500. 128GB, 18,500. Full package, basic package is 18,000. Less cashback 517.5. iPhone 13, 256GB, 20,500. Full package, basic package is 20,000. Less cashback 500 is 19,500. iPhone 13, 512GB, 21,000. Full package, basic package is 20,500. Less cashback 500, 20,000. Marami tayong stock ngayon ng iPhone 13, 256, 128. Marami po tayo, kaka-restock lang natin.
Baro lang. Manimig ka dyan. Screen time mo, sobra na.
Then, meron din po, ito yung marami tayo, pinakita mo na. Ayan, marami tayong stock. Ayan, hindi lang yan, marami pa tayo dyan. Ayan, marami tayong stock. Available din ang mga brand yun natin dyan. iPhone 12, 128GB. Marami tayong stock, kaka-restock lang natin, 128 saka 256GB. iPhone 12, 128GB, 14,500. Full package, basic package is 14,000. Less cashback 500, 13,500. Ayun, iPhone 12, 256GB, 16,000. Full package, basic package is 15,500. Less cashback 500 is 15,000. Magikinis po yung mga unit natin dito sa CMB Gadgets at Kenyal Telecom. And din tayong iPhone 11. iPhone 11, 128GB. Bibigay ko lang po ito ng 13,000. Full package, basic package is 12,500. Less cashback 500 is 12,000. iPhone 11, 256GB, 14,000. Full package, basic package is 13,500. Less cashback 500 is 13,000. iPhone XR, 128GB, 10,000. Full package, basic package is 9,500. Less cashback 500 is 9,000. iPhone XR 256GB, 11,500. Full package, basic package is 11,000. Less cashback 500, 10,500. Ito po yung mga stock available natin ng mga base model. Siyempre, sa mga gusto pong pumunta dito, pwede kayo mag-visit sa ating physical store. Meron po tayong permanent shop. Located po ito sa 3rd floor D Mall, Green Hills, San Juan City. Then meron din po tayo Tiangge. Located po ito sa XB02, 2nd floor, Green Hills, San Juan City. Ayan, sa mga gusto pong magpa-deliver na or same-day delivery, pwede tayo magpa-same-day delivery within Metro Manila or nearby through our trusted rider. Delivery fee not free. Then pwede rin po tayo magpa-ship via LBC, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Shipping fee not free. Ang mode of payment po natin dito sa CMB Gadgets and Kenyal Telecom, pwede tayo sa cash, bank transfer, GCash, and credit card. Then pwede rin po tayo sa installment. Pwede po tayo mag-installment using your credit card or liable na po kayo kay G-Gives, Pay Later, or kay Skyro. So, yan po yung mga pwede natin gamitin sa mga payments dito sa CMB Gadgets and Kenyal Telecom. Again, Merry Christmas and advance Happy New Year! Bye!